through there. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. It's a big brine. Come around behind, buddy. Out of the current. Another big Gallatin River brown trout. Hoo hoo hoo, baby! On a Prince Nymph! I can't even get my fingers around him. Right in the lip. Oh, love you, buddy. Oh, thank you. Let's see. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19-inch Gallatin River brown trout. What a beautiful fish. Thank you, buddy. Up in the foam, baby. Yes! 19-inch beautiful brine.